So, friends, so I'm also glad today I have my eldest brother-in-law with us. So, yes, welcome, Borta. And yeah, friends, we will continue with our topic. Hmm? And what was yesterday's topic? What was yesterday's topic? What did you like about the topic yesterday in brief? We have a long syllabus to complete, actually. Yes, what was it? What did we speak about yesterday? Hmm? Anandita, अफसान जी, क्या हुआ? सब लोग कहाँ गायब हो गए हैं?
अब माइंड
Yes.
फ्रेश नहीं रहा.
तो
just
आप,
finish with the just finish with the tuition ना.
oh, you just finished the tuition. अच्छा अच्छा, okay, okay, go ahead, अफसान जी.
It's over, it's over.
Yeah.
How to become enlightened millionaire. This is all thing.
इसको पूरा मंथ ही चल रहा है. इसको बोलते हैं फाकीबाज.
Right?
बंगाली में बोलते हैं इसको फाकीबाज. इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? जिसको कुछ याद नहीं है तो ब्रॉडर टॉपिक पे बात कर दो. हाउ टू बिकम एन एनलाइटेंड मिलियनेयर. या ट्रू. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन
না
दिस.
দেখো মানে আলটিমেট গোল তো তাই না যে
या
এনলাইটেনমেন্ট হওয়া, এটাই হচ্ছে
बट
আসল। এরপর
correct. True. Okay. So, okay. Jokes apart, we were talking about having definite desires. When somebody is very yesterday, that's why I say that, friends, write it down. You will be able to remember because all the topics are interesting. But agar main kabhi, when I'm in problem, I should be able to see, okay, I'm in problem. I can apply this in my life. This something very inspiring, which I can use it in my life. Okay. Anandita, you unmuted. You wanted to say something?
মধুকৈটবর স্টোরি দিয়ে কিছু একটা বলেছিল, ওইটুকুনি মনে আছে, বাদ বাকিটা আউট হয়ে গেছে।
Yeah, so I was talking. Yeah, yesterday did I spoke about? No, the Madhukaituka I said I shared day before yesterday the story of loving ourselves.
ওই
Just
ডে
the way.
বিফোর ইয়েস্টারডে তো আই ওয়াজ নট দেয়ার না, আমি ওটা শুনিনি বোধহয়, কিন্তু কালকেরটা
Uh,
শুনেছি, কালকে এটা ছিল না।
uh-huh. So yesterday was about having definite desires. Having very concrete, not giving up on your desires, believing in your desire. Okay. First, you have to be sure whether you want that or not. Should not be a fickle-minded desire. पता नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. First, you have to meditate a lot to first be clear about what you want, and then very definite. Okay. And we gave examples of these people. As for example, Edison's. This what was his name? C. Barnes. How he was able to become his partner. He had no money, but he became Edison's partner because he had such definite desires. Hmm? And then um, so so we continue with the same thing, and now because it's this is very important, friends. Um, when you are trying to manifest something, it is very important to you have concrete desire, right? Exactly, this is the amount of salary I want, this is how much distance I want from my home, this is how many hours I want to work, because the universe it will answer to the things which we are very clear about. Yeah. And here now Napoleon Hill gives some steps about how to make sure that your desires get fulfilled. 6 ways to turn your desire into gold. This is his points. Okay. And remember, he is not he's a little spiritual, but not fully spiritual, so many things might not. So I will explain, and I will cut which are not required, but I know these are very important. One of it is that he says, right, very concrete. It's not about I want plenty of money. Plenty of money, kya money bhai? Plenty of money kuch bhi ho sakta hai, right? So you should, as for example, friends, one another thing you have to remember, that don't keep write, and first, and it says that you have to write your goals. Okay, concrete first, very sure about what you want, then write your goals, and then writing exactly what you want. So, and also making sure you don't write such goals that your mind also cannot accept that goal. You know, as for example, you're earning 50 lakhs a year. Okay, but you suddenly said, I am earning 10 crores, or maybe you are saying that I'm earning 50 crores this year. Okay, even if you're very passionate and you are dreaming and everything, somewhere deep down, the mind will come and say, it is not possible. You know, you are here and how can you reach there? So that's why so we have to trick the mind by making first smaller goals. Once we achieve that goal, then we go to the next level. तो अपना mind इसको as for example, if you're earning 24 lakhs, 50 lakhs, you know, you can put a target that I am earning 1 crore a month, a year. Okay, and this is and you see whether your mind is ready to accept that or not, and it has to be very concrete. I said, I want more money. क्या more money तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. You were earning 10,000, more money means 10,500 per month. So you have to be very sure, very concrete about what you want. You know, also I told you, right, how you should also write about your job. You know, कितना hours करना है, कितना easy होना चाहिए job, work from home भी हो सकता है, and all these things. Write it concrete. Okay. Then you should also, the second step is you should also know that you have to give something in return. There is no policy like, you know, that getting something for nothing. ऐसा तो नहीं होता है, कुछ तो मुझे देना है. Even if manifestations are effortless, we don't need to work very hard to earn money, but हमें कुछ तो, I know that a little bit of action is needed. जहाँ पे I'm getting an intuition that here I have to reach out to this partner and ask for partnership or something. But I said, no, वो तो ड्रॉप कर जाएगा ऊपर से. वो ड्रॉप करता है ऋषियों के लिए, बिकॉज दे हैव रीच्ड टू दैट काइंड ऑफ हाइट. इवन इफ दे डोंट डू, दे कैन जस्ट मैनिफेस्ट इवन मनी. That is also possible. I'm not saying that's not possible, but for us, we are still in a very gross body. हमारा body अभी भी इतना light like rishis नहीं हुआ है. Like Sufis, it has not become. So for us, we need a little bit of action needed to take where that action is needed. हम लोग ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. And problem is, friends, I tell you, with most of women, what happens, and many men also, but women के साथ ज्यादा होता है, we are very, you know, we are very we get ungrounded. And ungrounded का one of the side effects is that we become dreamers. ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए जीवन में, हम सोचते रहते हैं बहुत कुछ, बट एक्शन कुछ नहीं ले पाते हैं. फरारी देख रहे हैं सपने में, लेकिन फरारी को पाने के लिए मुझे जो एक्शन लेना है वो भी तो लेना है, राइट? कोई मुझे इंट्यूशन आ रहा है, मे बी आई टू apply here or wherever, or my passion, the one that I really feel that this is my passion, I will start. पैसे आए ना आए, but every day I will do something with my passion. So these are the actions that we need to do, right? So it talks about that. First is like concrete goal. First also comes meditation, deep meditations, visualization, believing in it, and then taking action. Okay. And then having a definite date. It's very important to also have a definite date. As for example, you need 1 crore earning this year. So if you say that I need 1 crore earning, the universe might give you 10 years में एक बार 1 crore earning दे सकता है ना, थोड़ा कर. So, but why, when you make a concrete that by the end of 31st December, this is money that I will see in my bank account. I don't know how, but this is going to happen. This is called definite date. Date भी रखना. कभी-कभी ना we give up. We become disheartened when that goal is not fulfilled. हमें लगता है कि अरे मैनिफेस्टेशन कर रही हूँ, काम नहीं कर रहा है तो छोड़ देती हूँ. नहीं होता है तो make a new date. But making date helps us to be focused in our meditation also. Okay. And then as I said, write it out. And also the last is read out aloud. Okay. You know, speak it up aloud. You know, it's like an affirmation, and this you should write it in present tense as if you have already achieved it. कभी भी कुछ भी चीज हम अगर लिखते हैं ना कि ये मुझे चाहिए कॉन्क्रीट, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट, ये चाहिए, हमको हमेशा प्रेजेंट टेंस में लिखना है कि मुझे ये मिल गया है, and मैं इसको I'm enjoying it and मेरा life बहुत beautiful, देखो मैं अपने family members के साथ इस पैसे को कितना enjoy कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. Okay, and feeling that freedom जहाँ पे मुझे पैसे की वजह से सफर ना करना पड़े, मैं अब I can live my life the way I want to. All these things, क्या होगा, you will write it. When you will write it, you'll write it in present tense, that I am earning 1 crore each year, and I like or this much, 6 or 7 lakhs, if you break down 7-8 lakhs, every month, and this is how I'm feeling, and all these things in present tense. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे मिलेगा, मुझे मिल गया है, वैसा. You will write an affirmation and you will keep reading that before meditation. Try to read your concrete goal and then sit for meditation. During meditation, don't think anything. हो गया है तुम्हारा, पढ़ना हो गया, मेडिटेशन का मतलब है एम्प्टी करना है, तब उसमें इतना हमको दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. We have to tap, if we have to tap the power of the universe, we have to go more into meditation, emptiness. जब visualization करना होगा हम कर लेंगे, but जब visualization part नहीं आ रहा है तो we have to stay in emptiness totally. Okay, then friends, this is what is. Then today I made you do the meditation where I said, see what your higher, who you are, who really are. यहाँ पे very beautiful 2 examples दिए हैं. Who knows O. Henry? O. Henry, who is O. Henry? O. Henry? Does anybody know who is O. Henry? Especially literature students. Fuldi must be knowing. Oh, Fuldi doesn't teach literature, I think, in school. Yeah, he is a very famous writer. Beautiful stories he has written. Okay, very famous. O. Henry. If you Google O. Henry, have Fuldi.
His last leaf touched
Last
my
leaf.
heart. Yes.
What love the couple had for each other, right? Yeah, I think the movie was also made on it, huh? I haven't read The Last Live, but I heard that it is the one movie that Ranbir Kapoor or Ranbir Singh did that movie with Sonakshi. I have to read that Last Leaf on my own. But there are many more stories of the O. Henry which are so beautiful. And do you know who he was actually? He was actually a criminal. वो सिर्फ बाहर और अंदर जाता था, बाहर जाता था, घर आ जाता था, बाहर जाता था, आ जाता था. बिकॉज उसको वो कुछ ना कुछ वो करता था और फिर से वो अंदर आ जाता था. He was such a criminal. And one day he realized his other self, that he is much more than this criminalness. And then suddenly this.
ওটাও বোধহয় ও হেনরি না, গিফট অফ ম্যাজাই.
Yes. These are all O. Henry. Gift of Magi is also O. Henry. Okay. So then again, I think another one was this. I forgot. Okay. We will see. Go back and search all those famous, amazing stories. You will see most of them are O. Henrys. Okay. And this man was actually a criminal. One fine day, he realized that he's much more than this what he has been told. So that's why, friends, I tell you that so many things in childhood, we work on belief, right? हमने belief पे बात की है कि belief is such के it makes us feel के तुमको बचपन में बोला जाता है तुम ये कर पाओगे, तुम ये नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम stupid बच्चे हो, तुम गंदे बच्चे हो, बैड बॉय, बैड गर्ल, कितना कुछ हम लोगों को टैग दिया जाता है. और उस टैग को बिलीव करते करते हम अपने आप को, अपना जो ग्रेटर सेल्फ है, दैट बिकॉज वी आर अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, राइट? उपनिषद से अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट? इट सेज दैट द अनलिमिटेड पावर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स हमारे अंदर है, राइट? अगर उस पावर को हम नहीं समझते हैं, हम उस पावर को बिलीव नहीं करते, हम वहीं पे रह जाएंगे. Whatever label was given to us, we will stay. And and for us, we meditators, we are now realizing our other self, that we are much more than whatever label has been given by our childhood elders, parents, teachers. जिसने भी जो label दिया है कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, हम बहुत ऊपर है उससे. Okay, with a lot of humbleness and also feeling proud about the fact. So this is what. And when we believe in our greatness, we will be able to bring out the greatness. हम पैसे मांग रहे हैं, बट हम बिलीव ही नहीं करते हैं कि आई कैन मैनिफेस्ट, आई हैव द ग्रेटनेस टू हैव दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन माय लाइफ. मनी छोड़ो, हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, एवरीथिंग जो हमको, हम लोगों को चाहिए, हमको बिलीव करना पड़ेगा ना अपने पावर पे, तभी हम उसको टैप कर पाएंगे. एंड ओ हेनरी वाज एबल टू फाइंड हिज अदर सेल्फ. देयर वाज अनदर man, his name is Merle Haggard, a very famous music composer, in US. And he was also a criminal. Or, he was always coming out. He had a dysfunctional family में बहुत problems थे, वो सब कुछ झेल झेल के बेचारा criminal बन गया. लेकिन एक one fine day he realized कि ये जीवन में जीना नहीं चाहता, मुझे कुछ और करना है. वहां से he started his, he started doing night classes. He started then going, I think music he learned, and then he started composing, and in few years he was a very famous music composer. Okay, so friends, this is an understanding that we need to bring in ourselves, that we are much more than the labels जो belief हम लोगों को दिया गया है बचपन में. We are much more than that. Okay, and we can do anything that we wish we want to do. But for that, what is needed next is faith, friends. Faith is a very, very important factor, friends. You will see, we are all meditators, but you will see there are some meditators or manifestors or whatever you say, they get very, very fast benefits, great benefits, and there are some who do not get that kind of benefits. This difference that you see in people, even in meditators also, is depends on the degree of faith these meditators have. Okay, बहुत लोगों का ना माइंड पहले आ जाता है ना. मेन हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, बहुत लॉजिक लगा देते हैं, इतना लॉजिक लगा देते हैं कि फेथ को आने ही नहीं देते हैं, ट्रस्ट ही नहीं कर पाते कि इट इज पॉसिबल. ओके, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, फ्रेंड्स, कि अगर लाइफ में विक्ट्री देखना है तो विश्वास भी करना है कि दिस इज ऑल्सो, इवन द इम्पॉसिबल इज पॉसिबल. दिस इज ऑल्सो आई हैव टू बिलीव. Okay, friends, I'll give you a beautiful example. What a beautiful example. Napoleon Hill's, we are continuing with this book, right? Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. He gives his own son's example. बोल रहे कि जब हम strongly believe करते हैं ना, we desire and we believe that it is possible. पहला तो desire करना है कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे जीवन में पैसे चाहिए, desire रखना है, right? हमको ये नहीं सोचना, बिकॉज अगेन इट्स अ बिलीफ सिस्टम. कभी कभी बचपन में हमें बोला जाता है पैसा पैसा इतना नहीं सोचना चाहिए, पैसा खराब चीज है, पैसा लोगों को बर्बाद कर देता है. देन अगेन हमको डिजायर भी, हम विश भी करना चाहे ना, दैट आई वांट टू बिकम अ बिलियनर. आई कैन नॉट विश, बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई विश, आई फील आई एम अ बैड पर्सन, आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट मनी. छी छी छी, मैं पैसा पैसा इतना क्यों सोच रही हूँ. But friends, money is God. It is divine. It is created by the divine. सब कुछ in the world जो तुम देख रहे हो, आप देख रहे हो, सब कुछ तो भगवान ने ही बनाया है. तो मनी भी तो भगवान ने ही बनाया है. And money is so beautiful. It can be used for benefiting ourselves, benefiting everybody else. It can lead to all of our family members victory and joy. So first start feeling good about the fact that yes, I don't feel bad that I'm wanting money. Wanting money doesn't make you a bad person. It makes you a wise person, not a fool. तुम पैसे पैसे आएंगे, चैरिटी देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन पैसे पैसे नहीं करना चाहिए. चैरिटी भी दोगे कैसे, पैसे अगर नहीं होगा तो. Okay, so that's why first you have to be very clear that I love money. This is what I desire. First point, I desire money. You have to have a desire for money. You have to have, a want for money. Second is faith that you can achieve that money. Okay, faith is, now see this beautiful story that Napoleon Hill says. His son, one of his sons was born deaf and dumb. He could neither hear nor speak. Doctor said कि तुम कभी नहीं ये बच्चा कभी बोल नहीं पाएगा, कभी सुन नहीं पाएगा. But he never gave up. He never believed in that doctor. He said that I will choose to decide what I want for my son. I will not believe in the doctor. And he, because he had this burning desire to see his son hear and speak, he never believed. And after a few years, suddenly, ये बच्चा कुछ भी नहीं होता था, same हुआ, 4 साल 5 साल बीत गया, but Napoleon Hill never gave up. in the belief that my son is going to speak, my son is going to hear. I know that. This child, after a few years, suddenly dekha ki there was a phonograph which he bought. It's a music system. Hmm? And when he on that, he said he realized that his son could actually hear to some extent that. और भी ज्यादा जब when he would put his ears to the desk where it was put, he could hear it even better. There is this science called bone conduction, where if you put the back of your skull to that a place where there is somebody speaking or you're listening, you can hear it just by the bone conduction. Ears का भी नहीं जरूरत है, यहाँ से तुम सुन सकते हो, bone से चला जा सकता है, the understanding. So he realized that this is possible. Then what he did, he started using his lips very close to his son's back of the skull, and he started speaking to his son. The moment his son started understanding and listening, now he said, my job is done. उसको थोड़ा समझ में आ जाता है तो मैं उसको तैयार कर दूंगा. उसका belief system. See, belief system is so important. I tell you, believing, अगर आप believe करोगे कि मैं गोबर हूं, आप गोबर ही होगे. अगर आप बिलीव करोगे कि मैं राजा हूं, देन आप राजा ही होंगे. दिस इज द बिलीफ सिस्टम दैट ही इज सेइंग, एंड द faith that he brought in his son. Another thing that he brought in, saying that, throughout this book you will hear that he says a lot that every failure has a hidden seed of success in it. Do you believe in it or not? कि कुछ भी failure हो, उसमें ना कहीं एक seed है success का. Because it's an opportunity to learn our lessons, or it is an opportunity for people who are your success consciousness. They don't give up, they keep fighting, and finally great success comes from failures. Okay, वो यही बोल रहे कि हर फेलियर के पीछे, हर फेलियर अगर हम उसको अच्छे से संभाले तो उसके अंदर एक सीड है सक्सेस का. And he kept telling his son that, see the belief system, that he kept telling his son that, your this not being able to hear and not being able to speak is a great blessing for you. How blessed you are. Instead of saying, तेरा तो जीवन बर्बाद हो गया, मेरे बेटे का जीवन तो बर्बाद हो गया, सुन नहीं पाता है, ये सब नहीं बोल के उसको उल्टा बोल रहा है कि वाओ, तुम्हारा जीवन तो कितने blessed है. And then he gave example to his kid, saying that, because of this, the teachers in your class are giving you so much of special attention. You get special attention because of this, importance from the teachers because of this. And then he said, when in US, kids earn pocket money, na bachpan se hi karte hain. He said that when you will go to sell newspapers, people will give you more importance because they will see your sincerity, that despite of not having ear and cannot speak, you are so sincerely selling newspapers. See how great this blessing is. He kept infusing, instead of telling him कि कितना गंदा है तुम्हारा जीवन, बर्बाद हो गया and everything, बोला कि ये तो blessing है, लोग तुमको प्यार ज्यादा करेंगे, तुमको सीरियसली लेंगे. The whatever belief you given to a child, the child starts believing. And this is the beauty of the universe. The same, it's like a mirror. In spiritual science बोलते हैं कि हम जैसा विश्वास करते हैं, हम वैसा जीवन में attract भी करते हैं, वैसा बन भी जाते हैं. And later what happened is that this child, started, his mother was against him selling newspapers, but उसने छुप छुपा के उसने क्या किया, उसने पास के शू मेकर से थोड़ा पैसा उधार लिया, 6 सेंट का पैसा उधार लेके he bought newspapers and he sold newspapers. So after he sold the newspapers, again profit आया. उस करते करते, I think by the end of the day he was left with 27 cents. Can you imagine? a बच्चा जो बोल नहीं सकता है, सुन नहीं सकता है, वो बच्चा बिजनेसमैन बन गया इतने छोटे से टाइम में, इतने बचपन में ही बिजनेसमैन बन गया. From 6 cents he created 27 cents, in one day. And his mother was, crying out of joy and, out of, but he was saying, see, he's saying कि मेरा wife was crying seeing, him like that. But I was happy for another reason, that मेरा job is done. उसका belief system मैंने set कर दिया है. Now वो अपना life खुद बना लेगा. And he was saying that कोई भी ऐसा सोच सकता है कि ये deaf and dumb क्या करेगा, रास्ते पे सिर्फ पेंसिल और पेपर बेचेगा. बट मैंने उसको बोला कि तू तो ग्रेट चीज करेगा, with this quality of being deaf and dumb. And see what happens. He gets even more benefits. Suddenly, what happens? He goes to college, and and there they tried many multiple hearing aid instruments. कुछ भी काम नहीं किया, बचपन से कुछ भी नहीं काम किया. And the child, again, another hearing aid was given to him when he was in college. And suddenly, this hearing aid, the moment he, wore that aid, it started working and he could hear everything. And it was a miracle. The hearing aid was so good. And out of joy, he called his mother, and mother could hear his mother's voice, yes, abua, and all these things. Then what happened is he said that I want to write a letter to the company, thanking the company for making such a good thing because it has changed my life. So when he wrote this letter to the company who made the hearing aid, they welcomed him, as a gesture of love. They welcomed him to see the plant and the company and the factory. So when he came to see make a visit to the factory, he proposed. He proposed to the manager, saying that you are doing such a great job, and I can really help you, and we together can work in spreading this message to 1,000 more people who cannot hear or speak, that this aid is so good, it can change your life. So the manager asked him that, okay, if you're so interested, give me a plan. So he came back after 2 months, he came back with a beautiful plan, sharing that this is what we are going to do in the coming 2 years, 3 years, and all these things. And he was immediately given a very good post. Imagine people start from very low post in a company, right? And he was given a very good post in the company. He started his work job from one of the highest posts in the company. Yeah. And his life was made. After that, the rest is history. So, friends, did you realize what faith can do to us? What belief system can do to us? Whatever we have, that's why अपने बच्चे को ना कभी remember, you should tell your child, beta, you can do whatever you want. You have no barriers. You can become whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. You can earn as much as you want. There is no barrier. You have to give your child that kind of faith. Child को बाद में दो, पहले अपने आप को दो. Okay? Yeah. I told you my story of my own son, right? Till 3 years, he was not speaking. Yeah. And he was told off, saying कि ये abnormal बच्चा है, ये बात नहीं कर पाता है, कुछ नहीं कर पाता है, इसको डॉक्टर दिखाओ. But I had that faith, and I had that belief that my son has been born for a greater purpose. He has to not just study for earning money, he has to serve humanity. And finally, he started, flourishing. He's doing so great in school now. Okay, so it's a belief system, and I put the same, all these teachers, they told me that your child has abnormality. I did not convey it to Ridan then. Now I say that, Ridan, this teachers used to say, but see how great you have become. But that time I did not say anything to Ridan. I just told Ridan, what I used to say. This teachers used to say that he has abnormalities, and I used to say I used to speak to Ridan like this. He said, "You are so great, Ridan." वो एक भी line लिखने अगर लिखता था, even if he was writing, I would show as if he knows everything. Oh my God, you know everything. How much you know, how great you are. I used to keep telling him that how great he is in his studies. Yeah, I made him believe that he's amazing in his studies. And that's why he's doing great now. Yeah. So it is my own personal experience as well. My son was also told off by many, but I did not believe in the other people. I believed in his potential. Okay. So friends, this is what it can do. Faith, strong faith, and meditation. The last example that I want to share is Madam Schumann Heink. She was an opera singer. She was aspiring to become an opera singer, but she didn't have a very beautiful face, not a great personality. Okay. So what happened? कि उसको बोला कि तुम इतनी अगली हो, तुम्हारा पर्सनालिटी भी ठीक नहीं है, बेटर है तुम स्विंग मशीन खरीदो और घर पे थोड़ा सिलाई विलाई का काम करना स्टार्ट कर दो. ओपेरा सिंगिंग के लिए तो ब्यूटी भी चाहिए, एंड पर्सनालिटी भी चाहिए. See, if she would have believed in that nonsense, she would not have become the famous opera singer that she became, one of the most famous opera singer. So friends, and there are many who give in. होता है ना हमारे साथ failures, yeah, we have failed so many times, but many give in. We said, मुझे तो बहुत लोगों ने reject कर दिया, बहुत लोगों ने बोला possible नहीं है, so this is what I have to believe, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा. तो कुछ नहीं होगा believe ही कर दिया, क्या कर सकते हैं. But now we are meditators, friends. Okay? And we are not just meditating for ourselves, we are meditating to also transform the world. So, my life should be a shining example for others so that others can also take up this practice and meditate. How will they take up if I don't show this, the actual proof? Yesterday, see, Ruchi shared her actual proof, right? That's why I say that please share your experience in meetings. Tell me beforehand and then I will arrange. So that you can share your experiences. These actual proofs, these miraculous things are not just for us, but also to do seva, share it with others so that others can also benefit. Thank you so much very much. Thank you very much. So if nobody has question, I will say good night. Yeah, all done. So friends, don't give up on your dreams. Keep dreaming. Yeah. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.